Hi guys. I'm gonna start making these little videos of me playing Roblox with my friend or just alone or some stuff. If you have some fun games that I should try, please leave them in the comments because I'd love to play them. Yeah. Please do not friend me. Please do not friend my friend. We will not accept. Okay? Capiche? Okay, enjoy the video. There was music in this thing, but I cut it out because copyright purposes. So please just enjoy it and put on your own music if you want, if you guys like it. So please enjoy. See ya.